If you wanted to use Dev Desktop to manage a different application or to create an empty route or to create an empty web route where you can follow along with the videos that don't require Drupal, you can simply go to the codebase and either delete or move these files somewhere else. So I'm going to create a new folder called Drupal, and I'm going to move everything into it. And now let's say we create a new file called index.html. I'm going to open it up and add some text inside of it, and I'll click Save. And I'm just going to make sure here that we're editing this as HTML and not a text file. So I'm going to go to View and click File Name Extensions, and then I'm going to rename this to index.html minus the .text. And then if we go back to our site and remove everything past the right of the domain name and hit Enter, we'll see our index.html file showing up here. So at this point, you could follow along with any of the cross-platform videos on Build a Module. And if you needed access to the database, remember that the username is Drupal user and the password is blank.